Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, Samsung HomeUp plugin is getting a huge new upgrade and finally we are getting the most requested features on our Samsung phones also. And which are those features? Let me tell you. And the best part is guys, I already has that update. Let me show you the features also and what are the changes in new HomeUp update. First of all, huge shout out to Galaxy Techie who shared me this APK. So you can follow him on Twitter. He share Samsung leak news, etc., etc. Okay, so this is his account. You can follow him. Now I have already updated that, and let me go to settings and let me show you. I am in already One UI 9 on my Samsung Galaxy S26 on One UI 9 beta. All right, now let me show you that new features which I'm talking about. For that, I have to press on my home screen and go to settings over here and scroll down, and I have to tap on more customization. This is the new HomeUp update. So here you will not notice any difference. But if I tap over here, home screen, and if I turn it on, and if I scroll down, you will see this new feature. This is newly added in this update, obviously, favorite background. If I turn this on and if I tap on it, so yes guys, finally we are getting a dog background just like iOS. I will obviously show you all the features. So obviously you can add the blur effect also. You can also add the shadow, and also you can change the background image. For example, if I tap here, there are already few more background you can choose from. You can also, I think you can custom add also. For example, if you want to add your own image, just go to gallery over here and choose any of the background. You can obviously zoom here and there, and if I tap on apply and if I tap on OK, and if I go to home screen, you can see the background has been applied. And obviously we can do the customization, what we call resize. I don't know about this alpha, what it does. I think it's the transparency settings, right? Okay, you can adjust the transparency, and obviously you can adjust the round corner, how much rounded you want, obviously. And also this is the settings of horizontal padding, how much you want, and also this is the vertical padding you can adjust. I have applied the perfect settings. Now let me go to home screen and let me show you how it will look. So guys, this is the Samsung official dog background. This is not third-party app. Okay, so finally we are getting a dog background on Samsung phone also. Now let me turn off this blur. Let me see how it will look. It doesn't make much difference. And again, let me turn off this shadow. Let me see how it will look. It doesn't make much difference. And obviously you can use your custom images and your custom colors. You can see there are a lot of color to choose from. You can select your own colors. If you want to select your own colors, yeah, you can choose it. Example, green. You can apply black. Let me go with black. Black looks much better. What do you think, guys? So guys, yeah, finally we are getting that dog background on Samsung app, and I think this is a huge upgrade on HomeUp. Another amazing new feature is added in this gesture settings. Okay, if I turn it on and if I go inside this gesture settings and if I scroll down, here you will see a new option called multi-finger gesture. So this is the newly added in this update. If I turn it on and if I go inside here, now you can do a lot of things with the multi-finger gesture. You can do it with 2 finger, with 3 finger, and also 4 finger, even with the 5 finger. For example, if I turn on this 4 finger gesture, and here are a lot of action you can do. For example, if I want to use this 5 right gesture, okay, if I just select it on, I have already select the screenshot. Now, if I go back to home screen or anywhere else, and now with 4 finger, if I do like this, you can see it has taken the screenshot. So just like that, now let me select this swipe down option. If I tap over here, you can do a lot of stuff over here. The best thing I like about this is this one option, open app. If I tap over here, you can select any apps like, for example, let me do for YouTube. Let me select YouTube. Now, if I go back to home screen, if I do swipe down with 4 finger, YouTube is open, as you can see. So this is an amazing new feature. Really love this. Now let us try with the 5 finger. Does it work, and how it will work? I don't know. Like if I turn it on, and we will do the swipe down one version, okay, because it will be very, very hard. This action looks very interesting. Open app in pop-up. Let us try this. Let me tap on it, and obviously again we will try with the YouTube. Let me select the YouTube. Now we have to do the 5 finger gesture. Let us just do from here only. Why to go to home screen? This is my 5 finger, and let me scroll down over here. Now you can see the YouTube has been popped up. So guys, this is very, very useful feature to have, and I really loved it. So guys, this is the new gesture feature in HomeUp. From now onwards, you don't have to install any third-party app for dog background. This looks amazing, guys. And this gesture thing is amazing. I really love this new gesture feature. So guys, let me know in the comment which is your favorite new feature, the dog background one or the gesture one. And also guys, please don't ask for the APK. This is the internal build, not the public build. And also I promise to this bro Galaxy Tech It, I will not share this APK to anyone else, because obviously it's a kind of inside thing, so I can't break my promise. And obviously whenever I get a public APK, I will definitely share with you guys on my Telegram channel or by making a video, so you can subscribe to my channel. All right guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye, take care.